Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get between a $5,000 and $40,000 personal loan with low APRs. We're going to talk about how you can get approved, what you need to have in order to get approved, and more in this video. So make sure that you watch the entire video from start to finish so that you can get all of the information before applying. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon and receive notifications, and also like this video if you find this video valuable. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So the company is called Payoff. Now, in order to get a loan from Payoff, you will need to have a minimum of a 550 FICO score. You cannot have any current delinquencies. Also, when it comes to your debt to income ratio, you want to make sure that that is as low as possible because that is a factor in getting approved, and also your age of credit history is also a factor in getting approved as well. And basically, if you don't know what your age of credit history is, that's basically the length of time that your credit profile has been open. So from when you first started your credit profile up until now, that is your length of credit history. Also, open and satisfactory trades. You need to make sure that all of your open accounts have satisfactory reporting history, no delinquencies, no late payments, and your utilization also needs to be low as well. Okay, so basically this is how the Payoff loan works. This loan is designed to help you pay off your debt. So it's designed to reduce multiple high interest payments into one low rate or one low monthly payment. Their application process only takes as little as 3 minutes. There are no application fees. You can choose your terms. You can also receive your funds to pay off of your credit card balances electronically, deposit that into your bank account. So basically this is like a debt consolidation loan. So you can consolidate all of your credit card payments into one payment. So you'll essentially be able to pay off all of your delinquent accounts, or all of your account balances, not delinquent accounts, but your account balances that you have with different credit card companies into one payment. It's going to be a fixed monthly payment. There are no late fees, and this will also help boost your FICO score because it'll help cause that utilization to be brought down even more and cause the other credit cards and things that you have open to be paid down quicker, and it will also help your debt to income ratio as well. So they are focused on credit cards. So this is not for paying off cars and things like that. They're focusing on credit card debt, high interest credit card debt. Also keep in mind that they will be doing a soft pull on your credit report. So it's not going to impact your credit report at all. They are doing a soft pull. Now if you accept the loan, then they'll do a hard inquiry on your credit report. But to check your rate and to see if you actually qualify, there is a soft pull, and that will not affect your credit. Again, the rates are, or the loan amounts are between $5,000 and $40,000. Also, make sure that you do not apply for this if you have a FICO score that is under 550. Also, if you have any derogatory items on your credit report, make sure that you get that cleared up before you actually apply for this. Also, keep in mind that this will help you boost your credit. So on average, their users have seen a 40-point credit increase when using this particular loan to pay off their credit card debts. So it is actually helping them increase their credits. Now, really quickly, we're going to go over the rates and terms. So the lowest APR that you can get is 5.99%, and it goes all the way up to 24.99% APR. And again, the lower the credit score, the higher the APR. The loan terms are between 2 to 5 years, and you can pick whichever works best for you. Now, there is an origination fee, and that ranges between 0% to 5%. Now, besides the origination fee, they don't have any other fees. There are no application fees, no early or extra payment fees, no late fees, no check processing fees, no return check fees, and no annual fees. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you click the link in the description in order to be able to come to the Payoff website to apply for this particular loan. Please make sure that you like this video if you found this video valuable. Also, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the bell icon and receive notifications on when I release new videos. And I'll see you in the next video.